Okay, last topic was solution of system of equation by using determinant. It means Cramer's rule. Okay, na? So if you repeat, then see here, if your equation system of equation a1x plus b1y plus c1z equals to d1 a2x plus b2y plus c2z equals to d2 a3x plus b3y plus c3z equals to d3. Okay, then you can solve the system of equation by using Cramer rule or by using determinant. Okay, value of x is del by del 1, y is x is del 1 by del, y is del 2 by del, and z is del 3 by del. Okay, na? This is the solution of the system of equation value of x, y, z. It means variable. Here del 1, del 2, del 3 and del are actually del is the determinant formed by the coefficient of x, y, z. It means a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3 and c1, c2, c3. Okay, this is the del, na? If you want del 1, then what we have to do? Just simple thing. Actually del 1 for x, na, so hide the coefficient of x, at the place of coefficient of x put constant terms. Okay, so d1, d2, d3, at the place of this one constant term, then b1, b2, b3 and c1, c2, c3. Okay, so this is the del 1. Similarly, if you want del 2, then del 2 for y, then at the place of coefficient of y put the constant terms. It means a1, a2, a3, a1, a2, a3, then at the place of this one d1, d2, d3 and then c1, c2, c3. Similarly, you will get del 3 by using, okay, when you will put the value of at the place of coefficient of z, if you put the values d1, d2, d3, it means determinant a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, then at the place of this one d1, d2, d3, then you will get del 3. Okay, so it means you can find easily del 1, del 2, del 3. This is the solution. Okay, after that how to identify that system of equation has one solution, no solution or infinite solution. Okay, that is simple, na? If del is not equals to 0, then always you have unique solution. That is done in last class, na? Unique solution. Okay, na? If del is not equals to 0, then always you have unique solution. There is no need to check del 1, del 2, del 3. If del equals to 0, then find the value of del 1, del 2, del 3. If del equals to 0, then find the value of del 1, del 2, del 3. If all are 0, that means del 0 and del 1, del 2, del 3 are also 0. Then we have infinite solution. Okay, na? And if at least one out of del 1, del 2, del 3 is non-zero, at least one of del 1, del 2, del 3 is not equals to 0. If at least one is non-zero, then no solution. Okay, so we have only three options, na? Unique solution, infinite solution or no solution. If del is not equals to 0, always unique solution. If del 0 and all determinants are also equals to 0, it means out of del 1, del 2, del 3, then you will get a 0 by 0, 0 by 0, 0 by 0, it means infinite solution. Okay, and if any one, at least any one is non-zero, suppose del 1 is not 0, 4 and del is 0, okay, na? Then 4 by 0 is infinity. Now you can't involve infinity as a solution. Okay, then in this case what we have? No solution. Okay, na? Okay, after this one write a note. Okay, okay, so after previous class write a note. First point. Now what we have here, we have system of equation. Okay, na? Last topic is system of equation. Okay, now we have two type of system of equation. Either system of equation is consistent or inconsistent. Okay, we have only two options. Any system of equation is either consistent or inconsistent. Okay. Now when the system of equation is become consistent if there is at least one solution, it means either one solution or infinite solution. If system of equation has a solution, then that system of equation is consistent. If there is no solution, then inconsistent. Okay. So system of equation is said to be consistent if there is at least one solution. If system of equation has at least one solution, it means unique solution or infinite solution. For these case, system of equation is said to be consistent, and system of equation is said to be inconsistent if no solution. If there is no solution, then system of equation is known as inconsistent. Okay, second point. Now we have two type of solution. Okay, one is the trivial solution and other is the non-trivial solution. Okay. Trivial solution and non-trivial solution. Now what is the trivial solution? Trivial solution, it means if all variable x, y and z is equals to 0, then this solution is known as trivial solution. It means 0, 0, 0. Okay na? This is the only trivial solution. It means x is 0, y is 0 and z is 0. If anyone is non-zero, if at least anyone is non-zero, then non-trivial solution. Okay. In this one, x equals to y equals to z equals to 0. This is the only known as trivial solution. If at least one is non-zero, then non-trivial solution. At least one of x, y, z is not equals to 0. If at least one is non-zero, then non-trivial solution. Okay. So if there is a solution, then system of equation is known as consistent. If there is no solution, then system of equation known as inconsistent. If solution we have as x equals to 0, y equals to 0, z equals to 0, then that type of solution known as trivial solution. If at least one is non-zero, then non-trivial solution. Okay, write down. After this one, we will take a homogeneous equation, and after that we will take some questions. Okay, write down. Okay, now next, homogeneous system of equation. Okay, homogeneous system of equation. Okay, actually in system of equation, if the all the constant term becomes 0, okay, if all the constant term becomes 0, then system of equation known as homogeneous system of equation. Actually meaning of homogeneous equation is any equation is said to be homogeneous equation if in each term we have same power of variable. Okay, we have same power of variable. Actually at this time initially we have system of equation as a1x plus b1y plus c1z equals to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equals to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equals to d3. This is the system of equation na, but this is not homogeneous. Okay, a system of equation become or an equation become homogeneous if in each term we have same power of variable. Okay, now see this equation. Here power of variable is 1, 1, 1. There is no variable. Okay, na? This is the only constant term. So power of variable is 0. So in every term we didn't have same power of variable na, so this is not homogeneous equation. Okay, but if you put d1 equals to 0, now each term has same power of variable, okay na, each term has same power of variable, so this become homogeneous equation. Okay, here we have homogeneous system of equation, it means every equation is homogeneous equation. So if constant terms are equals to 0 in system of equation, then that system of equation is known as homogeneous system of equation. Okay, so the system of equation is homogeneous. Now see, for this one, in case of homogeneous system of equation, can you find value of del 1? Actually yes, you can find, but you will get 0. In case of homogeneous system of equation, del 1, del 2, del 3, these three values are always equals to 0. Okay, how? See, actually del 1 is del 1 for x na, so at the place of coefficient of x, what we have to put? Constant term. Now there is no constant term, it means 0, and then b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Okay, if any column has all element as 0, then value of determinant is 0. Similarly, in del 2 you will get these element as 0. In del 3 you will get these element as 0. So in case of homogeneous system of equation, in case of homogeneous system of equation, del 1, del 2 and del 3, these three values are always equals to 0. Okay na? So these are 0. What about del? Now we can't say directly for del, because del may be 0 or may not be, because del is equals to a1, a2, a3, determinant formed by the coefficient of x, y, z, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Now directly you can't say no that this one is equals to 0. This may be 0 or may not be. For this one we have to check. Okay, but obviously in case of homogeneous system of equation, these three values are always equals to 0. Okay, now take the case for del. Okay, if del is not equals to 0, suppose del is not equals to 0, if del is not equals to 0, then what we have? Unique solution. Then we have unique solution. Then we have unique solution, and that unique solution is x equals to del 1 by del. Now del is not equals to 0, but del 1 0. So 0 by non-zero is 0. Y equals to del 2 by del. Okay, del 2 by del 2 is 0, 0 by del. Now del is non-zero, so 0 by anything else equals to 0. Similarly, z is also equals to 0. So solution is 0, 0, 0. Only trivial solution. Oh, this is the trivial solution now. Okay, so it means in case of homogeneous system of equation, if del is not equals to 0, then we have unique solution, and that unique solution is 0, 0, 0. It means trivial solution. Okay, then we have trivial solution. Now second, if del is also equals to 0, if del equals to 0, and already what we have, del 1, del 2, del 3 equals to 0. If now we know that if all the determinant are equals to 0, then what we have? We have infinite solution. Okay na? Then we have infinite solution. Okay, then we have infinite solution, and actually this is the condition of non-trivial solution. If you have infinite solution, then suppose one solution is 0, 0, 0, then also we have other solution na, then obviously in other solution you can't take all as 0, because we have infinite solution na. So 0, 0, 0, out of these infinite solutions, suppose this is the one solution. Now what about next solution? Next solution you will get other na, obviously you can't take same 3, 0 again. Okay, so suppose this is 0, 0, 5. Okay, but in all other solution we can take 0, 0, 0. It means also we have non-trivial solution. Okay, so this is non-trivial solution now, only this is the trivial solution. So in case of homogeneous system of equation, this is the condition of infinite solution or non-trivial solution. Condition of non-trivial solution in case of homogeneous system of equation. In case of homogeneous system of equation. Okay, any doubt? No? Thank you. Write down. Now we will take some question. Okay, Kenara. So remember, in case of homogeneous system of equation, del equals to 0 is the condition of non-trivial solution, because if del is not equals to 0, we have a unique solution, and in case of unique solution we have only trivial solution. Okay na, for homogeneous system of equation. Okay, write a question. Find value of P and Q for equation two x plus py plus 6z equal to 8, x plus 2y plus qz equal to 5, x plus y plus 3z equal to 4. Has find value of P and Q for equation, so that these equation has first one unique solution, second one no solution, and third one infinite solution. Okay, so find the value of P and Q for these equations, so that this equation has unique solution, no solution, or infinite solution. Okay, now first find the value of del, del 1, del 2, del 3. Okay na, so first I am finding the value of del. Del is the, because x is equals to, you want na solution, x is equals to del 1 by del, and y is equals to del 2 by del, and z is equals to del 3 by del, and obviously type of solution depend on value of del, del 1, del 2, del 3. So first we have to find the value of these. Del is the determinant of formed by the coefficient of x, y, z. So 2, 1, 1, p 2, 1, 6, q 3. Okay, now expand. If you expand, then what you will get? I am expanding with respect to first row. So 2 multiply by its minor, it means cofactor, then 6 minus q. 6 minus q, sign is positive for this one, na? For this one negative sign, minus p, height corresponding row and column, 3 minus q. Okay, and after that plus 6 into 1 minus 2. Now if you solve this one, what you will get? You will get 12 minus 2q. Okay, 12 minus 2q minus 3p plus pq and minus 6. Okay, can I write directly 12 minus 6 as 6? Okay na? No, see, in this one you can take common 2, then 3 minus q. In this one you can take common minus p, then 3 minus q. Okay, then what you will get? You will get that 3 minus q into 2 minus p. Okay, this is the value of del. Now find the value of del 1. Now how to get del 1? Del 1 for x na, so at the place of coefficient of x put the constant terms. Okay, 8, 5, 4, p 2, 1, and 6, q 3. Okay, any problem? Now again expand. If you expand with respect to first row, 8, 6 minus q, then minus p, height corresponding row and column, 15 minus 4q. Okay, and after that plus 6 into 5 minus 8. Okay na? Now see, if you solve this one, what you will get? Plus 48 minus 24. Okay na? Sorry, minus 18. Minus 3 into 6, minus 18 and plus 48 plus 30. Okay, minus 8q minus 15p and plus 4pq. Okay, now if you take common 2, then 15 minus 4q. Okay, now take common minus p, 15 minus 4q. Then what we are getting? We are getting 2 minus p into 15 minus 4q. Okay, this one. Okay na? If you are taking common 2, then 15 minus 4q. If you are taking common minus p, then 15 minus 4q. Okay, and 2 minus p. Okay, so this is the value of del 1. Now del 2. Now how to get del 2? Del 2 for y na? So 2 1 1. Okay, at the place of this one, put 8 5 4, then 6 q 3. Expand 2 into 15 minus 4q. Okay, after that minus 8 into height corresponding row and column 3 minus q, and then 6 height corresponding row and column 4 minus 5. Okay na? 4 minus 5. Okay, again solve. If you solve, then what you will get? See, plus 30. Okay, minus 24 and minus 6. 30 minus 30 cancel out. Minus 8q plus 8q cancel out. What we are getting? We are getting 0. Del 2 is equals to 0. Okay, now del 3. This one remains same. Okay, 2 1 1 p 2 1. Now del 3 for z na, so at the place of coefficient of z, what we have to put? 8 5 4, 8 5 and 4. Okay, now expand 2 into 8 minus 5. Okay, minus p into 4 minus 5 and plus 8 into 1 minus 2. Now if you solve this one, then you will get 6 and minus 8 minus 2 minus 2 and plus p. Okay, you will get only p minus 2 after solving this one. Okay, now these are the value of del 1, del 2, del 3, no problem. Now easily, so see, first one. For first one, what do you want? You want value of p and q such that system of equation has unique solution. Condition of unique solution is del not equals to 0. This is the only condition. Now it means this must not be equals to 0. So actually this is not equals to 0. It means you can take p equals to 2, because if p becomes 0, sorry, p become 2, then this becomes 0. And also we can't take q equals to 3. Okay, we want value of p and q such that we have unique solution. Condition for unique solution is del not equals to 0. It means you can take any value of p other than 2. Also you can take any value of q other than 3. Okay, so p belongs to r, any value of r other than 2, and q belongs to any value of r other than 3. Okay na? Okay, so take any value of pq, doesn't matter, but you can't take p equals to 2 and q equals to 3, because for these this becomes 0. But condition of unique solution is del not equals to 0. Okay, see second one. In second one, what do you want? No solution. When you will get no solution, you will get no solution if del equals to 0, but at least one out of del 1, del 2, del 3 is not equals to 0. Okay na? When you will get unique solution, sorry, when you will get no solution if del equals to 0, but out of del 1, del 2, del 3 at least one is non-zero. Now we know that del equals to 0 for either p equals to 2 or q equals to 3. Okay, But see, if you take p equals to 2, then this becomes 0, obviously, because 2 minus p is a factor, na? This is already 0 and this also becomes 0. So I can't take p equals to 2, because if I am taking p equals to 2, then del is 0, but also del 1, del 2, del 3 becomes 0. If all becomes 0, then we have infinite solution. We didn't have no solution, na? Okay, so you can't take p equals to 2. If you take q equals to 3, because del must be 0 for no solution. Okay, so if I take q equals to 3, then this one is non-zero, then okay, now this also not depend on q. Okay, so simple. So take q equals to 3, but p not equals to 2. We can't take p equals to 2. If you are taking p equals to 2, then all becomes 0, then we have infinite solution. But here we want value of p and q for no solution. Okay, so only del must be 0, but out of del 1, del 2, del 3, 1 must be non-zero. Okay, so p belongs to any value. P can take any value other than 2, because if you are taking p equals to 2, then all becomes 0. And what about q? Q must be equals to 3. Otherwise, this is not equals to 0, no? If q become 3, then this becomes 0. This becomes 0. Now, if q equals to 3, then this is non-zero. If p is not equals to 2, then this is also non-zero. So at least one is non-zero, now then we have no solution. Okay, simple. And third one is infinite solution. When you will get infinite solution, you will get infinite solution if del 1, del 2, del 3, these all values are 0. Okay, all 0, then see, here we have only one factor, p equals to 2. Now this must be 0, na? So p must be equals to 2. And if p equals to 2, now put any value of q, doesn't matter, because all becomes 0. Okay, so p equals to 2, and what about q? You can take any value of q, doesn't matter, this becomes 0. Okay, so this is the answer. Any doubt? No? Thank you. Write down. Okay, Canara. Next. Question number 2. Find theta if sine 3 theta into x minus y plus z equal to 0, cos 2 theta into x plus 4y plus 3z equal to 0, 2x plus 7y and plus 7z equals to 0 has non-trivial solution. Has non-trivial solution. Okay, now what do you want? Find the value of theta if this system of equation has non-trivial solution. Now, what is the condition for non-trivial solution in case of homogeneous system of equation? Del equals to 0. Because if del is not equals to 0, then we have unique solution, and in case of homogeneous system of equation, if there is unique solution, then we have only trivial solution, because del 1, del 2, del 3 is equals to 0, na? Okay, so here we want value of theta so that this has non-trivial solution. Condition of non-trivial solution is condition for non-trivial solution. Okay, this condition for homogeneous system of equation. Okay, na? Del equals to 0. Now put value of del. Del is a determinant formed by the coefficient. Okay, na? So sine 3 theta cos 2 theta 2 minus 1 4 7 1 3 7 equals to 0. Now expand. We want value of theta, na? So expand first. Sine 3 theta into, hide the corresponding row and column, 28 minus 21. So can I write directly? Okay, 28 minus 21. for this one minus sign, so this become plus 7 cos 2 theta and minus 6. Okay na. Now for this one plus 1, height corresponding row and column, 7 cos 2 theta minus 8. 7 cos 2 theta minus 8 equal to 0. Okay. Now simplify. See, 28 sin 3 theta. Okay. Sorry, 28 minus 21, 7 sin 3 theta. 7 cos 2 theta, 7 cos 2 theta. 14 cos 2 theta. Okay. After that minus 6 minus 8 minus 14 equals to 0. Now take common 7, 7 goes to 0. Sin 3 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta minus 2 equals to 0. Now you want value of theta. Okay, if you want value of theta, then first I have to convert this one either in terms of sin theta or in terms of cos theta. Now sin 3 theta formula is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So we have formula of sin 3 theta in terms of sin theta only. And for cos 2 theta, we have formula of cos 2 theta in terms of sin theta and also in terms of cos theta. But for this one, we have only in terms of sin theta, na? So apply the formula in terms of sin theta. Okay, then what we are getting? Then simple na, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta plus 2. Cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now solve this one. Okay, see. Minus 4 sin cube theta. After that, minus 4 sin square theta. After that, plus 3 sin theta. Okay. Then plus 2 minus 2 will be cancelled out, equals to 0. Okay. Now take common minus, minus goes to 0. Okay. Also I can take common sin theta. Sin theta common, then what remains? Then here you will get 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta and minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now factorization. Here you want value of theta, na? So first we have to factorize. From this one we are getting that sin theta equals to 0. Now 4 into minus 3 minus 12. Now we want two values, so that product is minus 12 but sum is 4. Okay, plus 6 and minus 2. Then this is equals to 0. 4 sin square theta plus 6 sin theta minus 2 sin theta minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, in this one take common 2 sin theta, then 2 sin theta plus 3 minus common, minus 1 common, 2 sin theta plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Okay now. Okay. Now if you take common 2 sin theta plus 3, then what we are getting? Here we have sin theta equals to 0, or this one. From this one we are getting that 2 sin theta plus 3 common, then 2 sin theta minus 1. So 2 sin theta plus 3 into 2 sin theta minus 1 equals to 0. So what we are getting? We are getting that sin theta equals to 0 or sin theta equals to, from this vector, first 2 sin theta minus 1, from this one 1 by 2, or from this vector sin theta equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, we are getting these value of sin theta. Now see, this is not possible. Sin theta can't be less than minus 1. Minus 3 by 2 can't be the value of sin theta, na? Okay. Sin theta equals to 0. From this one value of theta is n pi. Okay. And sin theta equals to 1 by 2. Here alpha is pi by 6, na? Then theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. Alpha is sin pi by 6, so pi by 6. Okay, so these are the value of theta, either n pi or n pi plus minus 1 power n into pi by 6. Okay na? Okay, this is sin theta equals to sin alpha form. Here you can write this one as sin pi by 6. So alpha is pi by 6, and solution of this trigonometric equation sin theta equals to sin alpha is theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. Alpha is pi by 6. Okay, write down. Then Clear enough? Okay. Okay, so right next. If A, B, C are angles of triangle, then show that sine 2A x sine 2A into x plus sine C into y. Okay, I am writing in this way: x into sine 2A plus y into sine C plus z into sine B equals to 0. This is z. X into sine C, y into sine 2B, and z into sine A equals to 0. X into sine B, y into sine A, and z into sine 2C. Possess infinite solution. Okay, see. If ABC are angles of triangle, it means A plus B plus C equals to pi. Okay, then show that x into sine 2A plus y into, it means this system of homogeneous system of equation has or possess infinite solution. Okay, what is the condition of infinite solution? Condition for infinite solution or condition for non-trivial solution in case of homogeneous system of equation is del equals to 0. Okay, condition for infinite solution is del equals to 0. Okay, now del is determinant formed by the coefficient sine 2A. Actually sine 2A can be written as sine 2A. Okay, sine C, sine B, sine C, sine 2B, sine A, sine B, sine A, and sine 2C equals to 0. Okay, so this is the condition del equals to 0. So we have to prove that we have infinite solution. It means I have to prove that del is equals to 0. Okay, so I am finding the value of del. This is the del. Now I have to prove that this is equals to 0. Okay, so how to prove that this is equals to 0? It is given that ABC are angles of triangle. It means A plus B plus C equals to pi. Okay, now we have to use this one also because it is given. It means we have to use. Okay, see, 1 minute. Sine 2A can be written as A plus A. Now can you write C in terms of sum of two angle? C is equals to pi minus A plus B. Okay, na? So C can be written as sine pi minus A plus B. Now we know that sine pi minus theta is equals to sine theta. Okay, so we are getting that sine A plus B. Okay, na? Here C is equals to pi minus A plus B. Then take sine C equals to sine pi minus theta. Sine pi minus theta is sine theta. It means sine A plus B. Okay. Similarly, B can be written as pi minus A plus C. Then sine pi minus A plus C is sine A plus C. Oh, simple. Sine A plus B. This is A plus A na? 2A. Yeah. Sine A plus B, A plus C. Oh, very good. Then C can be written as A plus B. It means B plus A. C can be written as pi minus b plus a. So sin b plus a, sin 2b can be written as sin b plus b, and the son is sin b plus c. Obviously, na, b can be written as pi minus c plus a. So sin c plus a, sin c plus b, and the son is sin c plus c. Okay. Now what next? I can use the formula of sin a plus b. Value of del we are finding, sin a plus b. Sin a plus b, sin a cos a plus cos a sin a. Okay na? Then sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. Then sin a plus c, sin a cos c plus cos a sin c. Okay, now this one, sin b cos a plus cos b sin a. Okay, sin b cos plus b, sin b cos b plus cos b sin b. Okay, then the son is sin b cos c plus cos b sin c. Then the son, sin c cos a plus cos c sin a, sin c cos b plus cos c sin b. Okay, and sin c cos c plus cos c sin c. Okay, now how can I say that this is equals to 0? Actually, I can write this one as product of two determinant. Then you will get that this is equals to 0. See, first element P11 is first row, first column. Okay, na? So this must be from first row, first column. First we have sin a cos a. Okay, so I am writing sin a here and cos a here. Okay, sin a cos a, sin a cos a. Then what we have, cos a sin a. Okay, cos a sin a. Now find P11, first row, first column, sin a cos a plus cos a sin a. We are getting this one na? Okay, now there is no need of any extra element, so 0 and 0. Now P12 is first row, second column, first row, second column. So sin a, what do you want, cos b. Okay, and next one is cos a sin b. Okay, similarly this one is 0. Now P13 is first row, third column, sin a, what do you want, cos c. Okay, cos a, what do you want, sin c, and 0. Okay, now P21, second row, first column, cos a. Here we have sin b cos a, sin b cos a. Okay, okay, then similarly you will get here cos b and 0, sin c cos c 0. Now obviously all the elements are 0, so this, if you multiply these two determinant na, you will get this determinant. This is 0, this is 0, so 0 into 0 equals to 0. If del equals to 0, then what we have, infinite solution. So system of equation has infinite solution, hence proved na. Okay, write down. Okay, Kenaraf, pause and write down. Okay, okay. Now last question. write a question. If A, B, C are non-zero, then the system of equation alpha plus A into x plus alpha y and plus alpha z equals to 0, alpha x plus alpha plus by plus alpha z equals to 0, alpha x plus alpha y alpha plus c z equals to 0 has a non-trivial solution if option A, alpha inverse is equals to minus of A inverse plus B inverse plus C inverse. Option B, alpha inverse is equals to A plus B plus C. Option C, alpha plus A plus B plus C equals to 1. And option D, none of these. Okay, this is the question. It is given that this system of equation has non-trivial solution, then what is the condition? Okay, now which one is the option, which option is the correct? Okay, so it is given that system of equation has non-trivial solution, then condition of non-trivial solution is del equals to 0. Okay, simple now. Condition for non-trivial solution is del equals to 0. So just put del equals to 0. Del is determinant formed by the coefficient alpha plus A, alpha 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 plus B, alpha 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 plus C equals to 0. And now simplify. Okay, first I can make zeros, some zeros now. Okay, how to make? R1 goes to R1 minus R3 and R2 goes to R2 minus R3. Okay, to simplify this one, to get some zeros, otherwise at this time this is already simplified, you can also directly expand this one. Okay, no problem. Or also I can use, okay, this is the one. So see, R1 goes to R1 minus R3, this one minus this one is A, this one minus this one 0, this one minus this one minus C. Okay, R2 goes to R2 minus R3, this one minus this one 0, this one minus this one B, and this one minus this one minus C. Okay, alpha 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 plus C equals to 0. Now expand. Okay, if you expand with respect to first row, A into this one into this one, alpha B plus BC, and minus this one into this one plus alpha C. Okay, 0 multiplied by its cofactor becomes 0, so minus 0. Now plus of minus C, then minus C become, hide corresponding row and column, 0 minus B alpha, 0 minus B alpha equals to 0. Okay, now simplify. See what we are getting. AB, okay, I have some terms of alpha, so I am taking common alpha. AB plus AC, and in this one plus BC. Okay, and plus ABC equals to 0. Now what do you want? Value of alpha inverse. Okay, so first put ABC at this side. Okay, so alpha equals to minus ABC by AB plus BC plus CA. Then alpha inverse is equals to minus of AB plus BC plus CA by ABC. That is equals to minus of AB by ABC is C inverse, BC by ABC is A inverse, and CA by ABC is A inverse, sorry, B inverse. So we are getting A inverse plus B inverse plus C inverse. So first one is the correct answer. Okay. Now in next class again we will start the remaining portion of matrices now. Okay.